Magkano ang SSS monthly pension kung 3,000 pesos ang monthly contribution? 120 to 239 contributions is 9,000 monthly. 240 to 299 contributions is 9,300 to 11,267. 300 to 359 contributions is 11,300 to 13,267. 360 to 419 contributions is 13,300 to 15,267. 420 to 479 contributions is 15,300 to 17,267. 480 to 540 contributions is 17,300 to 19,300 monthly pension. May tanong tungkol sa SSS? Isulat sa comments section.
Ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan